Show you how to pick out a crystal for a watch. In this case, the original watch crystal has broken, it's gone, and it needs a new one. I don't actually have a pair of calipers that's in millimeters, but I'm just going to use this one. It's an imperial, and just convert it. It's easier that way. So that's at 1 inch, 135-ish we'll go to. And that converts to 28.8 millimeters, and really I'm just using this as a ballpark. We've got this box of sorted crystals, so I'm gonna start sorting through it and trying to find something around 28. This one here would be a pretty large one. This is a 46 millimeter. This one here is a 28.3. When we set it on there, it looks like it's the right size. Once we press that on, it'll fit really nice. Make sure there's no dust on the inside or the outside of the crystal. The new crystal's pressed in. It looks pretty good. It looks a lot better than it did before. And if you are ordering a new crystal, something that a lot of people will do is you measure what your bezel size is, what you need the crystal size to be. Say it's like a 28. You might order a 28.1 and a 27.9 and a 28. So you get a range of them just in case you didn't measure it quite right.